In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted posts on Instagram, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. If you have deleted some posts on Instagram and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings. Now click on the search option and in the search bar type download your information. Tap on request a download. Then click on the second option that says select types of information. Since we only want to recover our deleted post, therefore you need to search for the option that says content. Select it and after that click on next. Now all you have to do is to click on the submit request option, and once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted posts will be sent to your email address, and all you have to do is to download that file and your deleted posts on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.